scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Differential equations can be tricky, but we will solve this slope field problem fast. Let's find the linear solution and calculate the final value together. First, we assume the linear solution takes the form y equals mx plus b. Since it is a solution, its derivative m must equal the given expression x minus y. Next, substitute y into the equation. M equals x minus the quantity mx plus b. For this to hold for all x, m must be 1 and b must be negative 1. Finally, our linear function is y equals x minus 1. Plugging in 3 for x gives 2, making option C the correct choice. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Watch your signs and avoid rushing. Trust the given conditions and check your steps.